Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn some very common English sentences that we use in our daily life. These sentences are simple and very useful for daily conversations. So let's get started. The first one is, Abhi tuma kya kara rahi ho? What are you doing right now? Second, Kya tumne kucha kaya? Did you eat something? Third, Maim tumhem bada mem kola karungi, I'll call you later. Fourth, Mujhe eka minata do, give me a minute. Fifth, Maim raste mem hum, I'm on my way. Sixth, Mujhe seka karan do, let me check. Seventh, Yaha bada samaja mem ati hai, that makes sense. Eighth, Yaha koi bari bada nahim hai, it's not a big deal. Ninth, Main USA para Diana nahim dia, I didn't notice that. I hope these sentences will help you improve your daily English. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful English sentences. Thank you for watching.